This is my video on how I've handled quarantine, and I just kind of included a visual aspect just so there's something to look at. So I kind of split it up into like positives and negatives. So starting with the positives, I have more time with my family, and this is my first year in college, so I was spending a lot of time away from my parents, and I wasn't really used to it. So spending time with them is better. I have more time to get stuff done. Like a lot of the times I was in college, I felt like I didn't have enough time to do everything that I wanted to do, but now I do. I've been able to work out more, which is good because that's something that I enjoy doing. And even though I can't go to the gym, I still can work out at home. And then my grades are better because once again, I have more time and I'm able to do a lot more schoolwork. And then for negatives, boredom has been a big one. Really running out of stuff to do. There's only so much you can do in the house, and the weather hasn't been really great, so there's not too much to do outside either. My sleep schedule is like completely messed up. I feel like I can't fall asleep before like 3 a.m. And if I don't have anything to wake up to in the morning, then like I'm not gonna wake up early. And then doing things without a screen, like a lot of the my time is spent on my phone or doing schoolwork on my computer or playing video games. So doing things without a screen is just like the activities are very scarce for that. And that's it.